Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajid and welcome to Food Free. Again, I'm back with another amazing barbecue recipe. This time it's going to be Malai Chicken Boti, जो कि बहुत amazing होगी and something you guys can enjoy this summer. So guys, let's get started. So what we are going to do now is make a paste. To make a paste, we need a couple of green chilies. I'm using 6 to 7, but feel free to adjust them based on your taste. We are also going to add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. That's gonna go in. And a small ginger as well, small piece of ginger. Small bunch of coriander leaves, that's also gonna go in. So I'm going to add them as well. So a tablespoon of water is gonna go in as well. And also a tablespoon of lemon juice, which is what I'm gonna squeeze it in. So इसको chop कर लेंगे हम and we'll make a paste. So our puree is now ready and this is something we are going to use as part of our marination. So in order to get marinated chicken, first thing we need is a mixing bowl and we are going to add about a 750 gram of chicken to it as well. So again our chicken quantity is 750 gram. And if you look at the pieces, they are, most of the pieces, if you were to look at it, that's in a cube, big cube sizes. So first thing that's gonna go in is a small portion of mozzarella cheese. In terms of spices, इसकी quantity a lot less होती है, तो I'm gonna start with the coriander powder, जो कि है 1/4 of a teaspoon. Garam masala, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon. White pepper, half a teaspoon. Corn flour, a tablespoon. Oil, a tablespoon. Fresh cream, 200 ml ki. It's gonna go in. Thick fresh cream, you can use any of those. As long as thick is fresh, feel free to use it. We are also going to add some yogurt, which is about 3 tablespoons. And finally 2 tablespoons of mayo. So mayonnaise is gonna go in about 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add a salt, जो कि half a tablespoon है इसमें. And last but not least our puree that we just made. So this is gonna go in as well. So wear a glove और इसको mix कर लें. And it's well mixed. मैं इसको refrigerate करूँगा for about good 3 hours at least. So now that our grill is ready, it's time to put our skewers in.